Hello, Nasdaq followers, and welcome to another edition of Behind the Bell. I'm your host, Leanne Alfaro, and we are live in market site Times Square, New York City, where you just saw Comic Relief USA ring the opening bell in honor of Red Nose Day, aka these little noses right here. Joining me right now to talk a little bit more about it is CEO Janet Scardino of Comic Relief USA. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much. And thank you to the whole Nasdaq team. You guys have been such supporters. We really appreciate it.
And what a fantastic campaign, right? So a little bit about Red Nose Day. It was aimed in the U.S. at helping 16 million children worldwide, but as of this year, it's 5th year in the U.S.
Yes.
You've exceeded that metric.
Yes, we have.
So tell us a little bit more about that.
Sure. No, we were so proud. We came into the 4th campaign having raised over $150 million, and as of this morning, we just in this campaign so far, and monies are still pouring in, but we're nearly at 40 million, and we certainly expect to exceed that in the coming weeks and through the end of the year. And you're right, these little guys really help us. The people across the country, you know, we make it really easy to be part of Red Nose Day by being able to buy a red nose at Walgreens and put it on and take a selfie and share a laugh, which is really, you know, it breaks down barriers, but it also allows us to think about those less fortunate and really shine a light on the issues.
Absolutely. So talk to us a little bit about how the program works. Someone buys a nose, say at Walgreens,
Yes.
which is a big partner
Yes.
with Red Nose Day.
Coast to coast.
Yep. And so what happens? You buy the nose, where does the money go?
So 100% of the proceeds from the noses goes to the charity. And then we really select very specific programs, both domestically across all 50 states and Puerto Rico and internationally, to really help the children who are most in need. And our mission is a holistic one. We want to keep children safe, healthy, and educated. So we have programs with Feeding America as an example, which are terrific because we specifically fund backpack programs so that kids can be heroes by taking 30 pounds of food home to their families, both during the school year and during the summer when they are not benefiting from those school lunches and other ways to make sure that they're really, that they're cared for and they have a nutritious meal.
And we were talking about just how crucial it is for this not to just be a seasonal kind of event, but a year-long event. And talk to us about the campaign this year, because you said it's notable in particular because of the money raised in the amount of time.
Yes, we basically start at Easter, and again, we're usually celebrating on the Thursday before Memorial Day. And that, since Easter moves back and forth, we've had campaigns that have been 10 weeks long, and others this year, it was the shortest ever. Easter was so late, it was 5 weeks. So we were really pleased when Walgreens had decided to extend the selling of the noses all through the month of June to help us really raise even more money in this short campaign.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And I mean, yesterday we saw Nasdaq employees, even from our company, activate all around the world. So that definitely was really special to see. It's not just a national campaign, it's really a worldwide campaign.
And I think, making it fun to make a difference has definitely caught on. This concept of making it easy and fun to bring people in and to bring people together. There aren't that many things that unite us, but most people agree that every child should have the best shot at a great future, and they certainly should not be without food, medicine, access to education, and a safe place to live. So, these issues bring people together, and again, you cannot help but laugh when you put a nose on.
I'm gonna have to do it. All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Here we go. And you know you can't, right? You also can't do a full interview in one, unfortunately.
You can't. I felt it. I was like, nope, I'm gonna have to take it off, but I will take it home with me.
Exactly.
So how can people get involved all other days of the year?
Yes, well, we just came off a huge, NBC gave us an amazing opportunity last night to celebrate with this 3-hour broadcast, and people were donating online and text, calling in, but it is not too late to continue giving, and so you can definitely buy a nose and go to rednoseday.org and make a donation. We also you can do fundraisers still. Donate your birthday on Facebook to Red Nose Day, or start a peer-to-peer fundraiser. We have lots of influencers that are also streaming and really bringing their fan bases in to support us. And you can just ask Alexa and just make a voice-activated donation.
Even technology enabled.
Yes, yes. So
we're looking.
Yeah, we're trying to make it as frictionless as possible for people to get involved, make a donation, show that you care, and really bring people together.
That's fantastic, Janet. And so congratulations on the campaign so far, and best of luck with it running, you mentioned, till the end of June.
June, that's right. Thank you so much.
Still have
Thank
time.
you. We really appreciate it.
Nasdaq followers, don't forget, if you want to buy one of these Red Noses and contribute to Red Nose Day, there's still time, like we mentioned, till end of June at Walgreens all over the country. Until next time, thank you for joining us on this episode of Behind the Bell.